Let's touch base, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, let's touch base. This phrase is often used in professional and casual conversations, and understanding it can really help you in various communication settings. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of let's touch base. Let's touch base is an idiomatic phrase that originates from sports, specifically baseball. In baseball, players must touch the base to ensure they are safe and not out. Translated into everyday English, this phrase means to make contact with someone. It is commonly used to imply a brief meeting or check-in with someone, especially to discuss a matter or to update each other on a situation. It's often used in the workplace, but can also be found in less formal settings. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a professional setting, after the conference, let's touch base to discuss our team's strategy. 2. In a casual setting, I know you're busy with the move, but let's touch base next week to see how it's going. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be adapted to different contexts. This phrase can be modified slightly while retaining its meaning. Some common variations include, we should touch base next week. I'll touch base with you tomorrow. Let's touch base regularly. These variations provide flexibility in how you can incorporate the phrase into your conversations. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of let's touch base. Remember, it's a great phrase to use when you want to check in with someone, whether in a professional or personal context. Happy learning, and I look forward to touching base with you in our next video.